Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Men who fall in love with women fall in love with both the passion and purpose that she feels for life, and the passion and purpose that he feels in life when he is with her. When a man falls in love with a woman, he becomes filled with passion, and the more passion he feels, the more love that he feels. 10 December 2017.
Take our lead.
What does a man miss about a woman? He misses the emotions he felt when he had her by his side. He misses the affection and the love she was giving him, the way she listened to him, the way she believed in him, and the way she pushed him forward. 8 April 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Another key sign of how a man acts when he's falling in love is that he starts to pull you into his inner circle. You'll meet his friends, his family, and the people that are important to him. And, on the other side of the coin, if he doesn't introduce you to family and friends, he's got you in the holding zone.
Let's help you make your mark.
If he goes out of his way to put a smile on your face or make you laugh, that's a clear sign that he's falling for you. As previously mentioned, a man will display the way that he feels through what he does. For example, he may go out of his way to find the perfect gift ideas to get you a present for no reason. 19 October 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.